What's going on, Dinky? You got your baby? Have you got your baby, Dinky? She loves those little Mylar balls. Oh, the sun's bright. I don't know if this will turn out or not. Sure, now that I went and got the camera, she doesn't want to play anymore. Come on, Dinky. Get your baby. Good girl. God, she's so cute. Oh, I know this is going to be too bright. I know this is going to be too bright. These are the steps leading up to the counter, kitchen counter. Yeah, there's little Tabby. Down here's Big Brother. Gosh, it's 105 today, and that sun coming in the patio window. There's my girl. There's my Dinky. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Huh? Where's your baby? You just had enough? You gonna lay down for a while? And then we got little Taz. There goes Bruiser to see what Sis was doing. Tabitha's up on the counter checking out the coffee maker. There's Bruiser. He's turned into such a big boy. Are you hung up? Turned into such a big boy. We think he's part Egyptian Mao. Uh-oh, uh-oh. You want Mom to get you loose? Well, retract your claw. Oh, Bruiser. There you go. Oh, God, he's not the most graceful cat. Just a year old. All of them. Brother and sisters. What are you doing, Bruiser? Sis left some treats up there. Just a big boy. Just a big boy. And who have we got over here showing her tummy? Tabitha at the water. Tabitha and Bruiser. Just a year old. Yeah. Had you since you were less than a week old. Rescued Mama and you 4. Kept all of you. Now look at you. Tabitha. TJ. Such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty girl. That's little Taz. And over here's Her Highness, Little Miss Dinky. You're the one that started all this, and then you pooped out.